Guys, I don't know if y'all can see this or not, or how good. Out here in the driveway with me and Bailey. Out here in the snow that we got. See if I can spin it around so y'all can see. I guess they ain't gonna let me. But there's her. This is what I've gotten. Part of the road. Trying to put a video out, short one. So, it's cold. Sun's out, which is a good thing. Supposed to melt, then refreeze again. Another 3 to 5 inches coming tomorrow night. So I know all this ain't gonna melt. Trying to walk in the path that I made here. Bailey's having a blast. But anyways, I just wanted to show y'all this. Upcoming video, hopefully soon. Y'all stay safe and have a good one.